Hi, I'm Jenny with ShipMyCards. We've upgraded our website, and here's how to make a shipment request in less than 1 minute. First, sign in. Next, refresh your browser to make sure you have the latest updates. To ship one item, select the Action button, and then select Ship Only This Item. Or to ship multiple items, click on the Request Shipment link, which pulls up your inventory. Select the items you'd like to ship. Click Next. Now you fill out the address or select from your address list. Click Next. From here, you select your shipping process, simple shipping or personalized shipping. You can choose the shipping speed, standard queue, or rush shipment for an extra $1 per item number. You can require a signature or no signature. The option to include an invoice. If you add insurance, 500 or more automatically requires a signature, and there's the option for a GPS tracker. Click Complete and create shipment. That's it. You just created a shipment request in less than 1 minute. Thank you for using ShipMyCards, your hands and feet of the hobby.